Hello everyone friends, on the channel today I'll show you how to download games to your PC. So the most basic option is to go to Start and here go to the Microsoft Store. And here we have gaming and here we have games, some free, some paid of course. Whatever game you find, that's what you can play. For more advanced gaming experiences, you'll need to download a specific launcher. To do this, you'll need to open your browser. Here for example, the most popular one is Steam. So click Install Steam, click Install Steam. So this thing downloads for us. Open it and click Yes. Install Steam, click Next, Next, Install. After that, you open the platform, create an account and you can play games. This was me. See you all later.